Hey everyone, this right here is obviously a Home Depot bucket. How to make the handle a little more comfortable. Buy one of those things for like $5 or $6 that go on the shoulder thing in a car wash for your car or truck. Little cushy thing. You can wash them in the washing machine too. I bought a white one so I could wash it with my whites. I haven't tried it yet, but looks like it'll work out really good. It's really comfy. That little plastic thing is not comfortable when you got a few things in your bucket. So little 60-second tech tip. All right, thanks for watching. Click like on the video, subscribe. Thanks, bye.